Hi everybody, today I'd like to show you the wrong way and the right way to remove your zucchini from the zucchini plant. There's two tools you can use, a knife or a pruner. This pruner is actually too small to cut the zucchini off because the stem has gotten very big on our zucchini. We purposely let it get larger than normal because we're having a family gathering and we want there to be enough for everybody. So my preferred method anyway is to use a knife. Always to use precautions, of course. So the wrong way to harvest a zucchini is to twist it off. And a lot of people will do that. That can harm your zucchini by exposing part of it so that you have to use it right away or it can rot. But it really can do damage to your zucchini, and that's to the plant, and you don't want to do that. So the best way is to just cut right through, and there you go. Ready for dinner.